Hello friends, this is the picture. The first is the axial CT scan and this is coronal CT scan. Here if you see, all the whole CT scan is normal except that here you can see these enhanced areas in the pleural wall. This is nothing but pleural wall thickenings or pleural plaques, most commonly due to asbestos exposure. Similarly in the coronal CT also you see similar enhancements in the pleura, and this is also the pleural plaques which is due to asbestos exposure. Thank you guys for watching my lecture. Thank you.